Welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday, where we take you behind the scenes and show you what we're doing here at Blackout Tinting. We're gonna start here in the PPF bay in Latrobe. We have a Toyota RAV4. This got full front end protection with paint protection film. We do a lot of daily driver SUVs. Our most popular package on that would be the full front end or the full front and the rocker panels, which we call our track package. A lot of people, I think we only do like supercars. That's couldn't be farther from the truth. We do 1 or 2 of those a week, and we do 10 of these a week. Beside me is a Corvette. This was here last week. You can see all the trim is taped off. This is actually getting some paint protection film and a full polish. This paint was pretty thrashed. Did a good polish on it. I think we just have the lowers to do at this point, but we're always making sure we tape off our plastic. Behind that's a Lexus. I think this is the GX550. Such an aggressive SUV, I love it. This thing got paint protection film. It's getting a ceramic coating. It's next up. Then we have an X5M. This gentleman had an X5M previously. We did a bunch of work on it a few years ago. Upgraded to a newer one, and we're doing similar things. So paint protection film on the front, ceramic coating, window tint. This one's done, ready to go home. You can see it is beautifully shiny. And to my right is an Audi A4. This one is getting a polish paint correction. It's almost done. It'll be going home today. Zach is working on a Silverado 1500. We did some paint protection film on select areas of this, window tint all the way around. Now Zach is getting started on the coating. There's a Toyota Grand Highlander in the ceramic bay. This one got polished. It's ready for the coating, which also should be going down today. And back in the wash bay is a Mercedes GLE 450. It got window tint this morning. It's currently getting prepped for paint protection film on the front end. In the tint bay, we've got Terrell working on Honda Ridgeline. Tint on the front. We also have Sakayla. If you guys didn't catch it on What's in the Shop last week, we are opening a store in Sarasota near Lakewood Ranch. Sakayla's gonna be in charge of that store, so she's up here doing some training for a couple of weeks. We're addicted to Starbucks here, like half of the United States. Bonus points if you can guess my drink, I'll send you a shirt. Guess my drink right, send us an email with your address and we'll send you a shirt. Got one of our loaners. We've got 4 of them now, technically. A Porsche 911, previously was ceramic coated. Something was going on with the front bumper when it came in for an annual inspection, so we went ahead and recoated it. We've got my GT4. It's just kind of hanging out. I keep buying cars, so I'm out of garage space. I don't know where to put it. Once winter gets here, we can store it at Gibsonia, though. Carrera GTS for our good friend Kevin. He keeps buying the coolest low-mileage Porsches with cool options. And this one got some PPF on the factory rear impact areas. Then we have an Audi S5. This one got tinted. It's ready to go home. And last but not least, my wife's new Escalade. We did a full stealth wrap on this, replaced all of the silver badges with black ones. We still need to finish the window tint, do a ceramic coating, and we're doing some black PPF accents over some of the trim. Some of the trim's a little bit worn out and scratched up, and instead of polishing it, we're gonna do black PPF. Let's see what's happening in Pittsburgh, in Miami, and in a couple weeks, it'll be Sarasota too.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. Up front, we have a Toyota Camry. On this, we tinted the side windows, the back window, and the full windshield in our Prime XR. And we also did a full polish and an 8-year ceramic coating. Outside, we got a Ram 2500. This vehicle was in for 20% tint to match the 2 front windows to the factory tint. In the back, we got Mark doing his thing on another Camry. This was in the shop about a year ago for some paint protection film. The customer unfortunately left his wipers up and popped the hood and damaged this area of the paint protection film. But thanks to paint protection film, the paint was safe. So we took that piece off, put a fresh piece on, and now Mark is doing a full polish and 4-year ceramic coating. In the back, we got a couple PPF jobs. First up is this Mercedes. As you can see, this is now satin. Thanks to our stealth paint protection film, we're doing a full wrap on the vehicle. When we got the vehicle, you can see it has some existing tint on it from some shop down south, I believe in Florida. And we're seeing some delamination, some bubbling in the back window. It was purple on the side windows. We're now taking that tint off. We're putting our xpel Prime XR tint on. And once that is complete, it's gonna go over the Mark and get a ceramic coating. Next up is a C7 Corvette. This is in the shop today. Also to get some old tint taken off and our xpel tint reapplied. We're taking off the side windows. And it's also getting some paint protection film on the front bumper and the rear impacts. Once that is done, Mark will be doing a full polish and 4-year coating on the entire vehicle.
Hey guys, welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. Let's see what we got going on today.
Here we have a Macan EV that's in for a set of fronts and a windshield tint in our XR Plus.
Here we have this Camaro that's in for a 4-year ceramic coating
paint has been polished. Now we're gonna start the ceramic coating process.
This GT3 RS is in for some paint protection film. Currently had the track pack. We removed the rockers and the spoiler. We're gonna replace some pieces in the back and add some more protection.
In the tint bay, we have this Cybertruck that's in for full tint all around, including sunroof and windshield in our XR Plus to keep it cool from the summer heat. 997 turbo, it's in its finishing stages, getting cleaned up and ready to go home today.
Know it's not the last time.